POP Century Resort. We are staying on the 4th floor in room 2450. We are very close to the pool. This is not the main pool, but it's the bowling pin. Very cute. You would never know that Hurricane Milton just came through here a few days ago. I love this color purple. It is so pretty. And here is the Skyliner. And then across the water is Art of Animation. Look how cool the theming is. That's what I love about Disney resorts, is the theming. I'm also going to take you to the lobby and show you some really cool things down in the lobby. But first, we're going to have a room tour. So we are in room 2450. So here's our home for the next 2 nights. We did check in last night, so our stuff's already in the room, but you have a TV, a dresser area, and then this is the main bed. This pulls down. It is your Murphy bed, but when it's pushed up, you have your table and chairs. And then this is the window. Here's our view in our room. Super cute. And then you have your ice bucket, some extra cups, coffee pot. They do give you different coffees like decaf and regular, your creamer, your sugar, some tea. This is your beverage cooler. This is the adjacent door to the room next door. So if you had 2 rooms, you could walk through that door to the other room. And then here is where you can hang some clothing items. There's some toilet paper, Kleenexes. This is your vanity area, sink area, and then of course your bathroom with your shower. So this room is $129 per night. And now let's go check out the lobby because they have some really cool things in the lobby that I want to show you. Almost walked out without my room key. I have done that before. So we are in building 2, the 4th floor, room 2450. And once again, we're at Pop Century, but this map shows you all the different things like the dining and then also the different pools they have. They have a kiddie pool and then they have 3 pools at this resort, which is awesome. And then here is a look at the actual resort map. We are going to take the stairs because I just had a hamburger and french fries from McDonald's, so I could use the extra steps. Here's the stairs, and the pool is literally right down there. Once again, like I said earlier, the theming of these resorts are so cute. Remodeling work.
Question: if we come up with his magic under his ticket. Okay. All right.
It is about to storm here at Disney World. has officially started to rain here at Disney. Some really dark clouds going on over there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please click subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.